Hello, students. I hope you all are well. Stay at home and be safe. Today, we are going to start Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable. In the previous classes, we have learnt about algebraic expression and equation. I am writing some example of expression. 2x 3y minus 7 x square plus 1 1 plus z square plus z cube. This first expression containing one term, second expression containing two terms, third expression containing two terms, fourth expression containing four terms. Now, what do you mean by linear expressions? Are these expressions linear? So linear expression means highest power of the variable is 1. You can see your first expression, variable x highest power is 1. In this expression, variable y highest power is 1. So these two expressions are linear because their highest power of the variable is 1. This expression, variable x highest power is 2. In this expression, variable z and the highest power is 3. So these two expressions are not linear because the highest power of the variable is more than 1. Equation. I am writing same expression again, 3y minus 7. But after 7, I am writing equal and one more expression more. Now your expression changed to equation. Why it is equation? Because it containing equality sign. Equality. The left expression on the equality sign is called left hand side and the right side of the expression is called right hand side. Y is called the variable. So it is an equation containing equality. Left expression is called left hand side. Expression on the right is called right hand side. So about equation, you can write from your book. You can see your chapter, first page down. About equation, these 5-6 line has written. You can note down these 5-6 line and this example is there. Equality is there. Left hand side there, right hand side there, variable is x. So you can note down about equation from your book. Now, as your chapter name is linear equation in one variable. So what do you mean by linear equation? So just now I have explained you linear expression. So similar way, linear equation means the variable highest power is 1. One example of equation I am writing. In this equation, variable x highest power is 1. One more example. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Variable is y and the highest power is 1. So these are the example of linear equation because the highest power of the variable is 1. I am writing example x power 2 minus 8 is equal to 1. In this equation, highest power is 2. So this equation is not linear because the highest power of variable is more than 1. Now, one variable. One variable means equation has only one variable. So in this equation you see there is only one variable, that is x. In this equation only one variable, that is y. And if I am writing this example, 2x plus 5y is equal to 13. In this equation there are two variables, one is x, one is y. So this equation containing two variables. The highest power of variable is 1, but it containing two variables. So you can call it linear equation in two variable. So about linear equation you can note down an equation involving only one variable with the highest power 1 is called the linear equation in one variable. And the last important point is solution. What do you mean by solution of the equation? Solution means a number which when put for the variable in the equation makes both the side equal is called solution of the equation. I am writing one example of the equation. This is your equation. What value you will put for x so that your left hand side x plus 5 sum will become 7. So x must be 2 because 2 plus 5 sums give you 7. So your right side 7 and left side you also got 7. So in this equation x is equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. This is the solution of the equation. So about solution you can note down from your book the second page of this chapter. On the top about equation has written. So these 3-4 lines you can note down, and this example till right hand side you can note down. So students, in the next video lecture we will learn how to solve the linear equation. We will start our exercise in the next video 2.1 and we will learn how to solve the linear equation. Revise your topic. Happy learning.